Hello students, good morning. We will continue our exercise 9.2, number 4 sums. It is given that P is a point in the interior of parallelogram ABCD. Now we have to show that area of APB, triangle area of APB plus area of PDC is equal to half of area of ABCD. Number 2, we have to prove that area of APD plus area of BPC is equal to area of APB plus area of PCD. Now, for 1, there is a construction. For 1, we draw through P, we draw EF parallel to AB. Now we see that AB parallel to EF by construction and AE parallel to BF. Since AD is parallel to BC, so AE is parallel to BC. So we can say that since opposite pair of sides parallel, therefore ABFE is a parallelogram. And similarly, we can show that CDEF is also a parallelogram. Now, triangle APB and parallelogram ABFE standing on the same base AB and between same parallels AB and EF. So, area of APB is equal to half of area of ABFE. We got it in our previous class that parallelogram and triangle standing on the same base and between same parallels, then area of the triangle is half of the area of the parallelogram. Similarly, we can show that triangle PDC and parallelogram CDEF standing on same base CD and between same parallel CD and EF. Therefore, area of PCD is equal to half of area of CDEF parallelogram. Now adding 1 and 2. Area of APB plus area of PCD is equal to half of area of ABFE and half of area of CDEF. Now we take common half of half. We get half of area of ABFE plus CDEF, and when we add these two area, we get area of half of area of ABCD. So we can prove that area of APB plus area of PCD is equal to half of area of ABCD. For second sum, you draw again for construction. You draw a line for second part. You draw a line GH through P, GH parallel to AB. Now we get that AGHD is a parallelogram and triangle APD is an parallelogram AGHB standing on the same base AD and between same parallel AD and GH. So area of APD is equal to half of area of AGHD. Again, triangle BPC and parallelogram BCHG standing on same base BC and between same parallel BC and GH. So area of BPC is equal to half of area of BCHG. Now we add this and this. We get area of APB plus area of BPC is equal to half of area of AGHD plus BCHG. When we take common half, we get half of AGHD plus BCHD. We get half of ABCD. we can show from 1 and 2. In 1 we get that APB, area of APB plus BPC is equal to half of ABCD, half of area of ABCD. Again we get APD plus area of APD plus BPC is equal to half of area of ABCD. From 1 and 2 we get area of APB plus BPC is equal to area of APD plus BPC. Thank you.